This is Fuji.
We've had a poacher sighting.
How many?
Unconfirmed. Coordinates south 29 50 05 east 30.
Hello, Constable?
Call me Beast, sugar babe.
Don't you sugar babe me. I'm a fellow officer of the law. I have taken a bullet in my chest. Now, I've had a report of a poacher close to the National Road. Can you look into it?
Of course, of course. And when I get back, I'm going to take a look at that bullet scar in Constable's chest.
Yeah, you wish. Take the wing and turn.
I'm gonna swing you in. Listen to this. I'm a cop. Shut up. Hey, white people can't drive. Woo-hoo!
Take it easy, Footy.
They won't even smell me.
I want to kill a poacher. ¡Pambelala, sia chica! ¡Ay, ay! ¡Ay, ¡Guadalala! Holy Moses, you potted the cows for me. What? Poacher! Moses, send a lightning bolt!
Hey! Hey! Get your ass off the ground!
Now! Bloody poacher! Me? A poacher? You look like a poacher!
Throw me the gun.
Mzansi! I'm making a big mistake. I'm a cop.
Oh, yes. And I sing in the Vahana Boys choir.
And I sing in Ladysmith Black Mambazo. Take
I'm
five.
taking you in.
All right. Shucks.
You shut off my foot, you bastard!
Affirmative action. Moses, don't let me die.
On the count of three, we both got to run for the nearest tree.
3! What? 3?
Rule number 1, buddy! Never turn your back on a liar!
Sorry.
Listen, buddy. Somewhere down there, there's a dead poacher waiting for you. But you can have this as a starter.
I've had a feeling since you came my way. Drive me crazy. Absolutely no denying. We're opposites, but I can safely say totally different, but together we've been styling. Mad, 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 mad. And insanity check me. Mad, 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 mad. You know you bring me to money. Mad, 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 mad buddies.
Minister, Mrs. Mda, it is so lovely to see you.
Kelsey,
Congratulations on your daughter's wedding.
and how's reality television?
Is he thinking up my new show?
Keep moving, please. Minister Mda's very sought after.
Good luck.
Thank you. I'll definitely need it. Silas.
you want to smoke?
Yes.
Get cremated.
Somebody help me!
My dear friends, relatives, and colleagues, welcome to this auspicious occasion for my lovely daughter.
Hey, garden boy! Hey, garden boy! Stop with this rubbish! Just stop!
What are you doing, man?
You're supposed to be dead. Killed by that lion.
And Moses sent me back to haunt you.
Shut off my bloody toe!
You don't know Boetie de Wet.
Hey, what?
You ruined my rugby career! I was a champion kicker! I taught Percy Montgomery everything he knows!
You're talking to the personal assistant to the Minister of Tourism. I demand you send the police now! Stop it! Security!
He is security.
This is great.
This is why I'm called the beast!
This is an act of terror! Malema! Don't shoot the bull!
You can call me Booty!
That is the
A reality show with these two idiots! Love it! Minister, as a reality show, it is going to kick butt, I promise. And more to the point, it's going to work for SA Tourism and it's going to work for you. Imagine how you're going to impress the president. You'll be bringing black and white together in our rainbow nation. The most important thing, they must not know that they are on television and they must not know about this reality show.
Okay,
Great! I'll see you at the police station.
this could turn into something positive for tourism.
You are a man of vision, sir.
Pause.
Hey.
Hi, guys. Nice pic. It was also on international television.
Who are you?
I'm with him. Yesterday, at the wedding reception of the daughter of the newly appointed Minister of Tourism, Silas Mda, two local men, Beast, Buthelezi, and Boetie de Wet, destroyed the event in a racist brawl. You're being charged with malicious damage to property and disrupting the peace. And Minister Mda here intends...
To see you both go to jail for a long time.
Unless you both agree to some therapy.
Yes,
Therapy is good.
we need therapy.
We are real stuff-ups.
So this is what you're going to do. You are going to walk from here to Gauteng together.
What?
Walk? That's 600 kilometers.
It's a penalty for your racist behavior.
I am not racist.
No, me. I can speak Zulu. Lo muntu spugo spugo.
And I find white ladies sexy.
But the country and the rest of the world believe that you are racist.
So you are going to walk together to prove that you can get along?
We hate each other.
I hate him.
Would you rather stay here in jail? Okay, boys. These are from our sponsors.
The microphones and the jackets are working A-OK, and we are broadcasting live to the nation.
Okay, the rules. You may not catch a lift on anything. You have to walk.
And you must stay away from all the major roads. This is a map of your route. I'm sure you'll find it picturesque. Wallets and cell phones?
Huh?
Mm-hmm.
You want us to do this thing without money?
Relax, this trip is on me. Thank you. Thank you. It's 200 Rand each.
200 Rand. 200 bucks won't even fill this tank once. He's obese.
He's beast.
Yeah, Minister.
You have to cross the finish line together as friends. This is not a race. It's a test.
Yes, and my job is on the line.
And we have got spies out there to make sure that the two of you do not cheat.
As my diva says, it's a long walk to freedom.
What is the price?
You.
Well, you never know your luck. So we'll see you in Barriesville, Gauteng. Well, good luck. Remember, this isn't a race. Bye. Well, go on.
They don't know that they're on television. What an idiot. I'm good. What's wrong with you, eh? I'm fine. Kelsey, what's the next mission?
Well, are our heroes just too far gone to get over their cheap racist selves? Or will they kiss and make up? And if anyone comes across Beast or Booty, please play along. Do not let them know that they are being filmed or that you know who they are. This is South Africa's own heartbeat reality show, Buddies or Broke.
That fat black oakie is never gonna make it, man. Go, Booty!
Kelsey, as soon as they're inside, I'm going to go around the back and see if I can get a shot through one of the windows.
Hello? Hi.
You are... You are...
I'm what?
Don't blow it, please.
fat because you eat too much chocolate.
Yes.
And you are skinny because you can't chew your food. Hey! What the hell am I doing on TV?
Shh, we're gonna get bust.
Come here.
What? That's us.
Where do you eat it from?
Idiots.
Have you never heard of closed-circuit television?
Oh, closed circuit TV in color.
Yeah, with the Mnet logo in the corner.
Yeah, they are sponsors. Now, are you going to buy something?
Yeah. Ring it up, Oma.
Yes. That's 35.65.
You know that gentleman I'm with right now? He's my boss. He's going to pay. I'm his farm worker. Oh, what's so funny?
It's just the way you said farm worker. It's funny.
Puti!
Ini.
Lo sis lo not simncede siphush imoto yakhe lapha ibhedi lakhe leflat.
No problem.
See, here's my boss. He's gonna pay. Thank you.
Yeah.
That's 64.14.
What? For this?
Oh, well, the chocolates was 35.65. Your farm workers' chocolates.
My farm worker?
Yeah. He said you were going to pay, and you agreed.
He said you needed us to push your car.
Listen here, Tarzan. Don't you start playing games with me, eh? You said you were gonna pay. Now pay! Everything's on CCTV.
Oh, peace!
Oh, I love it.
Marikies, did you see me on the TV with the beast and booty? Hey? How was my acting?
Need food?
Why? You could live off your fat reserves for a week.
Are you saying I need less food than you?
Nope. I'm saying you got a big, fat, ugly gut.
And you've got a big, fat, ugly, smelly mouth. What? What? You dirty, filthy, disgusting old man!
This is not getting better. It's getting worse. How?
I'm switching sides. 50 bucks says the white guy's gonna win.
Never.
Come on, baby. Do for daddy.
Oh, shucks. I am not walking to Berryville in Gauteng.
Hi.
This is gonna be the shortest reality show ever!
I'll go to jail.
Yeah, I'd rather go back to prison.
Hello, boys. I thought something like this might happen. Do you remember what I said about the prize? And how you might just get lucky?
Did you see her legs?
I'm above that.
Life is so easy when you have the tools.
Need food. Gotta get some proper food. Where are you going? Can't you carry that big gut up the hill? fully. You're gonna make the best baby roast ostrich this side of Texas. Oh, gata, mafula. I'm sorry, Mama. I found him all alone and lost. You can go back to your mama, little fella. There you go. I really didn't mean to harm him. I just wanted to guide him through his first steps.
Oh my God!
Run, please! Run! You puppet!
Great news. Australia and ITV have just bought the show. Minister Mda, good morning.
This is a disaster.
Don't worry, sir. It's still early days. They're gonna start helping each other soon, I promise.
They better.
Hey, Hitler, da! Hitler, no! Stop us, please! Kom eens toch, iemand, stop us, please! Steek jou! Alsjeblieft, Hitler, papa, ga mij eens uit. Stop! Stop, stop!
You got matches?
If I did, I wouldn't tell you. Springbok. Damn!
Okay, cool. Joe, 75 on Bootsy, 43 on Beast.
Put it on Beast.
Beast.
Then you bastard! Bloody Springbok. Puti. Puti. Fuga, Fuga, please wake up. Are you okay? I thought you were a Springbok.
No, I only made the Free State team. What happened?
Well, you went for a pee, and then I saw a flash of a falling star in the sky, right above your head. And then the next thing I heard was, poof. You were down. Putty? I think you were hit by a mini falling star.
Mini falling star?
That's what it was. Hey. Oh boy. Love you.
Bastard.
Now, isn't that just so much better?
Yes, Minister. You are so right. Again.
For the garden boy. Buddy, please, man. Toilet paper, please. Buddy. Toilet paper, man, please, man. Please, man. Hey, buddy. What's up, man?
Hello, Minister.
This is an embarrassment. This is a disgrace. I'm pulling the plug.
Minister, you can't pull the plug. This is the biggest thing on television.
I don't care. The deal is they show the world our people can get along. Pull them straight. Or I'm pulling the plug.
You know why the audience loves the show so much? Because they enjoy watching these two screwing each other over.
dit hom nou!
Ek gaan jou gat bless! Haal jou bliksem!
African abalone. Yummy, yummy. Hello, Mr. Tortoise. I am going to crack your shell and grill you well. Okay? Wait here. Huh? Jou ma se para. Dinner. Lekker. Wood.
Sorry, Toti. I have to get the hardware out of the way so I can get to the software. One, two,
Shoo.
Did you do that?
Hey, dude, you won't believe this. You were also hit by a mini falling star.
In the daytime?
Yeah, stars are there all the time. You just can't see them. My man.
Yes, Mr. President.
I am not happy.
No, sir.
And if I am not happy,
then you are sad, sir.
I am not sad. I am angry. Make me happy.
Yes, sir. Happy?
Bon appetit, Boetie. Oh, c'est delicious.
Minister.
The president phoned me today and is not happy. This thing is a disgrace.
A very popular disgrace. The whole country is glued to their TVs.
Because they've got a sense of humor in their trouser.
Okay, I'll think of something to make them help each other.
You better. Hey! Hey! Hey!
Hey. Hey. What's going on?
I don't know.
Where did you get that?
Same as you. It's no use to you. Let's share it. I'm a fisherman. Come on.
Don't give it to him.
Give it to him.
Don't trust him.
Aye.
No.
Start a fight.
I don't need your damn reel.
Okay. What are you going to use as a fish line?
Yeah.
What are you going to use as a hook?
Oh, yeah.
Bloody stingy man.
Yeah. Oh. Ah. Okay, buddy. Who hasn't got a hook? Hey! What's that? You dead old man!
Listen, man, I'm a fisherman. I can catch us some food with this. Give me the reel.
No! You bloody fool! Moron! Slim!
Shut up.
Poo-poo! It's to punga! Sam Bellingham! That's not to know!
Shut up!
I said, shut up.
Sorry, Minister. We tried.
Volunteer,
Baba.
have you got change for 100?
Oh.
Some chocolate.
Chocolate.
Does the machine work?
I did last year at Christmas when I bought the chocolate.
So do you mean that the last time we had chocolate was last year Christmas?
I'm too poor. Oh, the mamas. Hey, speak to your poison, man. Which one?
8. Yeah, boy. Right. I'll continue. Hey. Hey. Hey, my bro, I'm stuck.
I see problem.
I'm stuck, man.
He has a problem.
Moses, you parted the kettle for me. Save me from the lion. Now, get me out of this machine, please.
Seems like Moses isn't listening today, Beast. You might be needing him more than you think. Mm-hmm.
What? What are you doing? What are you doing, man?
From now on, you can call me Moses.
Ukuthi mamele sibambane yabo ukuthi silwise nje abathathu. I love you too. Hey, ma, I bought you a present. Baba kanjani?
Just give the minister a little hope. Just a little.
Camera 3,
Yes, Kelsey?
I need you to get a note to those 2 monkeys.
I haven't had a thing to eat. You screwed us. You screwed us big time. We could have caught some fish.
You screwed up.
How long to go to Gauteng?
2 days, maybe 3.
I quit. I quit. I'll go to prison. I'll serve my sentence. And after 27 years, I'll come out and I'll be the hero.
Shut up. Check.
Start getting along and you will each receive 10,000 rand. Love, Kelsey. 10,000 rand?
Where the hell is she? Where are these people watching us from?
Why is this thing not spinning?
Brakes on. Uh-oh. Brake's broken.
Yo.
Looks like we're gonna have to work together on this one. Tell you what, you climb up there, spin the blades, I drink, then we swap.
No. You go up there, spin while I drink. Then we swap.
You won't cheat.
No, man.
You give me your word.
I give you my word.
Please. Oh, this I gotta see.
Nice! Thank you, buddy. You can come down now.
Thank you.
Hey! Bye! You fat Oompa Loompa!
Jou malantali, se sikat, se boer, se rubberbeen, se koeispeen, se houthoog.
No.
You bet.
Here's an urgent message for you. It's from the president.
Huh? Oh, Silas.
Sis!
Boetie's at 3-1. That's a foul. Red card.
Every single morning, I take it down. It's a ritual to say thank you for my daily bread. Now I have nothing to be thankful for. I have nothing to dump. Football.
Sawubona.
Nalandate.
Kunjani?
Kedendate over.
Tell me, where does this road go?
This road goes that way. And that way.
Oh,
Yandate.
thank you.
Thank that. Banana.
Don't worry, Minister. I have another plan that is going to get these two together, and it's foolproof.
Yes, you bet.
Said nothing is foolproof with these two monkeys.
Yummy.
Oh, where did...
buddies.
That one up.
Oh. Somebody is messing with us.
No. I thought these fish and chips grew from seeds.
Funny. She's trying to get us to be buddies. Same with the 10 grand. They're trying to force us to stick together.
Puti, I wouldn't be your friend if you were the last two left on the Titanic.
But we're gonna pretend. So, let's fire up this jalopy and head for Gauteng and collect our 10 grand each. Buddy!
Yeah! All right.
Yeah, buddy! Yeah!
Buddy! Hit the road, buddy! Hit the road! Buddy, 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 buddy! Buddy, 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 buddy! Oh!
This is my buddy!
The battery's flat.
Maybe just a loose cable. Open the hood.
So, is it a cable?
No, it's the engine.
What's wrong with the engine?
There isn't one. Damn!
Alright, come on, come on. No, what's going on? Hey, stop that man, para. Hey, hi.
Eat the brakes!
Brakes are not working!
Oh my God!
Almost had a heart attack.
Open the windows! They're broken! Don't tell me you're stuck.
We are stuck!
They've been stuck in there for over an hour and they haven't said a word to each other. Camera one, get me a wide shot and then see if you can get something tight.
You know, the thing about my toe, it's not really about kicking a rugby ball. It's about the girls who dump me when they see me barefoot. I've tried to hide it, like wearing socks in the sack. But sometimes they just want to have fun, like in the jacuzzi or something. But when they see this missing toe boy, they just run.
But why do you carry on about your toe? You almost got me killed.
It wasn't your time. God had other plans for you.
Like being a stupid security guard. After that lion, I couldn't be a cop anymore. I lost my nerve.
Yeah, I guess in some way, we both stuffed up each other's life.
Transkaroo, bring haar huis toe.
Senze Nina.
Laat jou eerste wiele rol. Bring haar en maak my lewe.
Senze Nina.
Transkaroo, snel oor die spoor.
Senze Nina.
Want met jou bring jy my liefde terug na my.
Senze Nina.
Transkaroo,
Senze Nina.
bring haar huis toe.
Senze Nina.
Laat jou eerste wiele rol. Bring haar en maak my lewe.
Senze Nina.
Transkaroo,
Senze Nina.
snel oor die spoor.
Senze Nina.
Want met jou bring jy my liefde terug na my.
I'm sorry, Boot.
I'm sorry, Beast. I'm sorry.
What in the
amazing show.
I got to go.
You can't break that window, man.
But a man's gotta go. A man has got to go, man.
What? Are you? You punch! I'm gonna.
Hand me the napkin.
You are a disgrace to mankind.
That was good.
Oh. This.
That was good.
You shut in a car where we can be stuck for 5 days. You cocked in the car.
It's not that bad.
Trigger bad, man.
This is not suitable for the family.
Pull the block. Pull the goddamn block now.
You animal! I even apologize to you! You car-grabbing turd face! You will regret what you did to put in a bed! Grabbing in my...
Buddy, that was good, man. That was good. The kick. That was really good. Just like Moses. You set us free. You are my man. You are my hero. You are my dog.
Perfect ending to a perfect day.
Woo, woo. Back, back.
Let him vola somandla, let him vola somandla, stand him vola somandla, stand him vola somandla.
All right, you people of Valbosch, it is your turn to miss Buddies or Broke for a little while. In case Beast or Booty come in contact with the TV, we will be cutting transmission to your town until they leave.
Okay, guys, let's go and surprise them.
No, man, we're gonna spoil it.
Too bad. This is gonna put Valbosch on the map.
Where's all the people? Nobody.
I did not steal it! Hey! Enough! These mothers, they scare the living hell out of me. You're stupid! That's not funny!
To your health.
To your toe.
My Say so. Say so.
Man. I thought we were playing nice.
I found us a nice fat
man.
dinner.
But don't play like that, man. That's dangerous.
African sausage. Yum, yum. Snaky, yum, yum. We need more booze.
Bestie is clever. I stole extra booty for Putin beast.
What is mescaline?
It's Mexican for masculine.
That is for me.
Man, I swear the better.
La tala.
Bad man.
We're gonna break that record. Stop! Watch this through the airspace.
Hey, Tuna, you are under arrest.
Yes, baby.
Who's driving, Urchin?
You, Shumi?
Shumi, smile. We're on candid camera.
Not for long. Nice one, Shimmy. That was nice. There's a pub. Alcohol. Pull over. Booze. Nice one, Shumi. Next time, your turn, Urchin. Sinner. Sinner me a draft. Sinner me a double scotch and a cream soda.
Your attention, please. We apologize for the power failure. The generator will take over very shortly.
Gee, it's quiet. The oaks in this pub must have all passed out.
Ouch!
Oh. Help.
Who the hell are you? Are you mad?
Double scotch and cream soda with ice.
And a draft.
Are they mad?
You get drunk and they take you straight to casualty. Caesar. Lady Gaga would love this.
It is like a pub. If your liver is finished, they give you a new one.
Beast.
What?
Come here. Look.
It's a toe.
It's a big toe. You know what this means?
Some guy got it chopped off in a bar fight.
It means I've got a new toe.
It's black.
So, black is beautiful. We're the Rainbow Nation.
Rainbow toe.
Beast. Do it. You shot it off. You put it back.
See, buddy, this is going to hurt.
I don't mind pain. Do it.
Okay. All right.
I have prayed for this day. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I've got a previously disadvantaged toe. Ah! I know. Beast. I am walking normally. For the first time in 5 years, I am walking normally. Thanks, buddy. Nice!
Hey, Booty! Hey, how's it, buddy? I'm your big fan.
Nice.
The info, take a picture.
Huh? Beast, it's really you. One with the beast.
Beast? You'd say we're famous.
Hey, Beast, where did you get this?
I liberated it.
Let me help you there.
Hello, Beast.
Hi, Tina Turner.
Oh, even better, baby. I sing and I do the pole dance.
Oh, Tina, baby, I would love to see those long, beautiful legs wrapped around a pole.
Watch me, sweet lips.
Yeah.
Bring.
Hello, Booty.
Freddie Mercury.
No, my name's Daisy Terreblanche. The only gay in the village.
Daisy, like in flower.
Yeah, sure.
Watch this.
I'm a flower farmer. Butiki, let's dance. Look, I insist. You stay at my place tonight. I've got a huge house on my farm, and it's going to be a joy.
Oh, a joyride.
No, welcome. Let me just turn on over here. Yep.
Come to my arms, you bundle of charms.
Oh, Beast, that was so sexy. Give me one moment.
Okay.
By the way, my name is Goodness.
Oh. Goodness.
Why are you wearing a gun? This isn't Joburg.
Oh, no, this is, it's to keep the dogs away from my crocs.
Okay. And what are you doing now?
Me, I'm just, getting ready for bed. Butiki.
And where am I gonna sleep?
Right here, Blue Eyes.
Really? You want some coffee?
No. I want some Morphe.
Wow, nice.
Beast! Beast! Beast!
Get up!
Wake up, Buddy. Buddy, wake up. Buddy, wake up. Oh, shit. Beast, I slept with a man and cut off a black guy's toe.
Oh, my goodness. And I slept with a snake dancer.
Where the hell are we? What happened last night?
I can't remember.
This man could have ravished me. How do I know?
You have a pain in your butt.
I don't know.
Sip. Pinch. 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 I think you're fine.
I shot the black man. I cut off his toe. This can be incriminating evidence. Maybe the police are looking for us.
Huh?
But we are in deep cock. I gotta get out of here. I gotta get this thing off. I'm gonna get rid of this.
Wait, hey. You'll wake them up, man. You know what? Instead of a black toe, you should have got yourself a black brain. Tola, shut up. Hurry up, man. Hurry up. You might be old, but be a man. Be strong. Don't be such a wimp.
Yes, everyone is talking about the madness our two heroes got up to last night. Or buddies or broke. So, by popular demand, and I mean demand, here are the highlights.
Is that us?
Unless it's my dead uncle in this gunning boy.
How long have they been filming us?
Since the beginning. Hey, put it. Local reality show.
That's why everybody knows us.
Damn it!
I'm gonna... Kelsey is a... I am not happy.
Yes, Mr. President. Also, I'm not happy, sir.
Good. So get your fat butt over there to those two imbeciles and arrest them. They are going back to prison. This reality rubbish is over. And so are you.
Yay!
Over.
Yes, Mr. President.
Ka-ching! I bet you the whole country watched those highlights.
Including... guess who?
How long have they been filming us?
Since the beginning.
So, we've been tumbled. And I guess it had to happen sometime.
Go straight for 5 kilometers.
They've got to have planted microphones on us somewhere. In our clothes. Maybe in a button. Maybe even in my bloody cap. Somewhere.
Yeah. Budiki, I know where you are.
Clever boys.
They may be able to see us. But they sure won't hear a word we say. You realize the whole country have been watching us making monkeys of ourselves.
You know, what I want to know is how much is Kelsey making out of this? No, let me tell you. A fortune.
Of course. And what are we getting? 10 measly grand. Maybe.
What the hell are they saying?
You know what? We're gonna have to make them pay to see this through. R1 million each.
$1 million each?
That's what those guys from Idols get. And they can't even sing.
Exactly.
Turn left in 100 meters.
R1 million in our hands.
In 50 meters.
As we cross the finish line.
Oh, we quit. Yeah.
Turn left now. You have reached your destination.
What the heck?
You bastard! You're gonna have me fired by the president! Because you two, you don't get along together!
This guy can't stop talking.
I'm taking you to police!
Damn short-ass politicians.
This is a warrant of arrest!
They got so little brains and he's as a half.
I can't see!
Should we save him?
Okay.
Hurry.
You bastard! I'm gonna see both of you in jail and you're gonna rot forever! Football!
Who's that?
It's the guy I slept with.
With his jealous lover.
It's not right. They're taking us for a bloody ride. Time to make contact.
Let's go.
This could be interesting.
Filming us like this without our permission.
Hello, Mama.
Is this what's being broadcast? Kelsey, get yourself on a camera. We need to have a conversation now.
Okay.
This is crazy.
Hey guys, how can I help you?
This is reality.
First up, you are filming us without our permission, and that is against our constitutional right.
Second up, you are making a fortune out of our misfortune.
Maybe a little.
Well, maybe we want just a little of that fortune. R1 million each to finish this joke.
Okay, stay put. I'll bring you an offer.
Okay. Shut up. Hurry up. Thanks.
Inside. We want to make sure that we're on air.
But I lied to you.
Hell yeah.
How's it, Daisy? What? You want my autograph now?
So here's the deal. We can't offer you $1 million each.
No deal.
Then we walk away. And believe me, we will walk, even if it's from here to Zimbabwe.
Don't be stupid, man. $2 million Zim dollars is like R2 here.
But this is what we can do. We can give you each 50,000 rand.
I like that. And if you are part of the prize.
Hey, she's interested in me.
You, with a very, very ugly underbite.
Yeah, she kissed me.
Pooty, you've got a personality of a tombstone.
Don't you mock me.
This lady digs me, you old fool.
Don't you call me an old fool. I want 50,000 rand and Kelsey, or...
What?
Or this, you fat piece of bully bitch.
Oh my gosh!
Put that on your tombstone.
I didn't do anything to you. Come on!
It's your fault.
You killed him!
You lied to us. You let us on.
I
You wouldn't pay us each $1 million.
I would have given you $1 million. I was just bargaining.
You would have given us each
Yes,
$1 million?
I would have given you $1 million. Turn that camera off.
No, don't. We're accept the offer. Ah! $1 million each.
And there's 1 million witnesses that saw this, you two-timing little...
You bloody liar! You said the plans wouldn't hurt.
And you said you turned the windmill.
Okay, everybody, listen up. We're changing the rules. We're only a few hours away from the end, and from now on, this is a race.
Ah, okay.
2 million prize, winner takes all.
Yes! No! Yes. I'm injured.
Too bad.
Go! The final leg to Barryville, and the finish line. Let the climax begin!
Ako matot.
Get off my leg! I can't see! Move! Your breath stinks! There's a bird on my back! It's an ostrich! It's definitely not a tarantau!
What happened there?
You are not getting away from me! Get off, you bloody sponger! Who's that? That shot us! Minister!
Stop, you bastards!
What's that? For $1 million, run him over.
Stop,
You are?
You know, I've got my right hand on his nuts. And I'm going to give him a gentle, loving squeeze. What the Thanks, Minister. And you, what about the real prize?
If you guys really want me, you're gonna have to fight for me.
You think we are stupid?
He's coming.
Oh, you boys are too clever for me.
Hey, Beast. Thanks. It wasn't that bad, buddy.
Uti, thanks, my buddy.
Yeah. See that you brush your teeth.
I will.
Yes, Mr. President.
Well done, Mr. Deputy President.
To the D, to the B, to the U, to the D, to the D, to the Y. Everybody's in the troubles with you. Everybody's in the buddies can't sing. Everybody's in the troubles with you. Everybody's in the troubles with you. Everybody's in the buddies can't sing. Everybody's in the troubles with you. Sucky, sucky, quiet.
Wake up!
Yes, man.
He's shot off Booty's big toe.
Where's Booty?
One down and 9 more to go. Sucky, sucky, quieto.
Oh, old man.
I'm Booty the vet. I can play hooker or lock. If it wasn't for Beast, I could have been a springbok. I used to hunt poachers and save the big pie, but now I do gardens so I can survive. I should have been famous, the star of the scene, but then Beast came along and ruined my dream. I'm a hell of a O with one big toe. Sucky, sucky,
Sucky,
quieto.
sucky, quieto mix. Beast is up to his old tricks. Booty's in another fix. Sucky, sucky, quieto mix.
This is why I'm called the Beast. It's to the Sabatuana. They call me Beast. Come on, Nandi. I'm the ladies' feast. It's to the Sabatuana. We don't want some more. Cause I'm a nigga bonke. I'm the Beast for sure.
Sucky, sucky, quieto. Boys have got a TV show. Only thing is they don't know. Sucky, sucky, quieto.
I'm the cat with the hands. I'm a fat politician with a mean attitude and a hungry ambition. When I reach the top, I'll be number one can. And that is the name of the next president.
Next president? You must be joking. Next!
Everybody's in the troubles with you. Everybody's in the buddies can't sing. Everybody's in the troubles with you.
Idiot.
Everybody's in the troubles with you. Everybody's in the buddies can't sing. Everybody's in the troubles with you.
Saki, Saki, Kwaito. Cheers, cheers! From KZN to Gauteng, go must put.
Bodies on the road again. Always standing in there. Boom, boom.
Shaka.
Boom, boom.
Yazini futhi ngiyakuthanda mngani wami but wena ingqondo ayisebenzi nje. Wena lekhanda lakho akunalutho, empty ngaphakathi inside the head. There is nothing. It's empty.
Both of you are empty, idiots.